MGM Institute of Fashion Design is nestled in the lush green campus of the Mahatma Gandhi Mission in Aurangabad, where students from all over India get an opportunity to interact and learn from a multitude of 37 other educational streams. The MGM IFD was established in 2011 and has since been offering professional education programs at the beginners, bachelor's and master's level in fashion design. The MGM IFD has thus played a significant role in promoting the fashion industry. The educational approach designed by the MGM IFD helps the student to not just upskill their imagination and creativity, but also to get inspiration, do innovations, revolutionize and follow their dreams, along with being socially accountable. This is supported by highly qualified faculty with a great deal of theoretical and practical experience, campus infrastructure with cutting-edge design, innovation labs, a construction department, an extensive library and an air-conditioned computer lab with enough PCs to harbour the passion of the students. A home is where the heart will belong for a while. And in a strange city, the highly secure girls' hostel of the MGM IFD is conveniently located near the college building and comprises furnished rooms and a mess that serves 4 meals in a day. Apart from recreational indulgences, the students can enjoy the sports club facilities like gym, badminton court, table tennis, swimming pool, and many more. The campus facilities also include accommodation and a restaurant for the parents who come to meet their wards. The MGM IFD has branched out into research and development in the form of the MGM Khadi and Paithani Research and Training Center. It is a one-of-a-kind research and production unit in India, and it benefits the MGM IFD students directly by giving them the experience of the various processes of fabric production and garment manufacturing. Kaleidoscope is one of the very respected and famous fashion events in the city, where the students of the MGM IFD get an opportunity to show their designs to the public. All national days and events are organized on a mega scale on the campus, thus giving the students a bustling collage of experiences. The MGM Institute of Fashion Design brings the students closer to their roots and transforms them into ethical and responsible design professionals of the future.